Hey guys, welcome back. So first of all, congratulations to Luke. He was the free giveaway winner. He chose the yellow. That's currently in the post to you, buddy. And that leaves me with the blue one for the channel. We're going to be taking this trail in and we're going to test it out, see how it is. Plans for this truck. It's pretty good as a ready to run out the box, so I'm going to be leaving it standard, and if anything breaks I'll fix it along the way. That's what I normally do with my trucks. So yeah, we'll have a quick chat about the truck and the features it's got. It's fully proportional straight out the box, so you've got a 3-wire servo in there. We've also got a 260 motor. We've got soft friction dampers, and we've also got metal pinion and ring differential gears in there. So it's pretty durable anyway, straight out the box. And as you can tell, we've got the military theme going on. We've got a nice little basket there, keep your sandwiches in. We've got a mock winch on the front, reinforced bumper, which is nice. Roll cage throughout. If we look around the back here, also got a back bumper, which you don't see on any other of the D90s, with little hitches. And we also got a tow hitch as well, which is functional. You can pop that up and get some use out of that. It's got super soft tyres. One thing I will say about the tyres is they are slightly smaller than your average D90 tyres, which I think is going to be a good thing, because I might actually utilise these on some of my other WPL rigs. I think they'll look quite nice on the C24, being slightly smaller. Let me put that there next to it. So one upgrade I might actually do is just swap these tyres over to the MN99 tyres. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, out the box you get a 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. If we turn it on, you get your standard, try and get in shot here, your standard MN controller with a steering trim, on and off switch at the top here. So all binded, and like I said, it's fully proportional, so if you turn it a little bit you'll get a little bit of steering. So that's always a bonus to have fully proportional steering. And if we pick the truck up, we also get fully proportional throttle. I thought I'd give you guys a quick look at it, a bit more up close. You also get a nice pack of scale accessories. I've already put some on there, as you can see. Let me lift the camera up slightly. I've got the fuel tank there on the side, which is quite nice. I've got the jack on the back, it's also very nice, and I've also added the little we'll call it a utility rack there. So we've got the axe, and I don't know what this is. If you can leave in the comments below what this tool is for, and a shovel. And I've also added the fire extinguisher there up front. You also get a lot more scale accessories in the bag, but I didn't want to add too much to it. Let me just turn this off quickly. I didn't want to add too much to it. You also get a scale little guy. So he normally sits up here, and that comes with a turret which swivels. You've got the turret that goes on top. You also get obviously a charger to charge a battery. I had plenty of spare little trimmings. I got spare windscreen wipers, indicator lens, anything else in the door handle. So plenty of spare little trimmings. Get a little backpack, which is pretty cool. Little medi box. Another fuel tank. Like I said, I'm trying to keep it simple, so I don't want too much hanging off it. So I got that one as a spare. Got ourselves an oil drum. So all of these, they're the same colour as the rig itself. So if you used to have the yellow, all these accessories would be yellow, and they seem a nice material to a spray or paint if you wanted to do so yourself. And you also get, I'm going to call that an ammo crate. So the top comes off this, so you could actually store stuff in there. What else you get? You don't get this crate. This is from another truck, but I've kept all the weapons in here. You get a rocket launcher. Little mini Kalashnikov there. Looks like an AK to me. One of the best designed weapons on earth, that one. You got the machine gun, which clips onto the turret, so that would be up there. Get yourself a nice rifle there with a scope. Get yourself a flare gun for emergencies. And also then obviously we've got a basket on the front for all the sandwiches and food and goodies. Need something to cook it in. We've got ourselves a little skillet. So I've decided to keep all the little weapons and accessories in this little crate, and my plan is just to give the truck a little bit more of a look. I'm going to just pop the crate in the back of the rig like that, just to give it a bit more of a military feel, like I'm actually you know, carrying stuff around and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You're getting a pretty decent rig straight out the box, fully proportional, super soft little tyres, which you could utilise on all your other rigs as well. You're getting a heap loaded little scale accessories, which just adds to the character even more. And yeah, for a budget little trail truck, I don't think you can do wrong. I think I actually prefer this to the MN99. If you think about it, the underneath is pretty much identical to the MN99. You're getting the same motor, electronics, the metal gears, but I actually like the roll cage look of it, and obviously the way it just looks tougher. So yeah, that's about it for me today, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be taking this out on the trail in my next video, so make sure to click that notification little bell, ding ding, and as always, give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me to grow as a content creator. And if you haven't already, give that subscribe button a click. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.